Conquering clutter. We already know a cluttered mind has trouble focusing. It's tough to think clearly when you have a lot going on in your thoughts. Did you know the clutter around you can affect you in much the same way? Studies have shown productivity really does tank if you're in an atmosphere filled with, well, stuff. Having a cluttered desk makes it harder to find the materials you need to work. Worse, all those unfinished projects and scrawled notes can really pull your attention away from what you're working on. Likewise, a cluttered room is a constant set of distractions, just screaming at you to stop what you're doing in favor of getting something else done. With this in mind, clearing out the clutter is crucial to improving your focus. Take a few minutes at the end of every day to neaten your desk. Put away the objects around you. If you're still finding it all to be too much, it might be time to remove unwanted items entirely until you have only what you truly want and need around you. Only then will you find true focus.